guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Angie. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below to join our family. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do this clothes change, clone, transition type of video that's been taking over TikTok and Instagram Reels. It looks just like this. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so for the particular video that I'm going to show you guys how to do, there are going to be a few things you should go ahead and set up so they're already ready to go when it comes time for you to actually film. And I'm actually filming this for the first time with you guys. So the video I just showed you previously, I've actually already filmed while doing this tutorial. So the things you're going to want to have ready is you're going to want to have your outfits ready and pull them and make sure they already look good together, because honestly, if you're a beginner with this, you're not going to be having time to go back and forth because you're going to end up making a mistake. So go ahead and pull out your outfits, however many that you're going to do, and have those set aside and be ready to change into those. The next thing I recommend you have is 2 t-shirts, 2 towels, 2 pillowcases, whatever it is. This is to show the clothes falling down and to appear as that the clothes are becoming you. So it really doesn't matter what color they are. Obviously, like, no one's gonna be upset that you're not actually wearing the same color. Like, they're gonna be impressed with the video editing, so they're not gonna be worried about the color of the clothes. So in any clothes, t-shirts, pillowcases, anything like that works. You're going to only need 2 of them because what we're actually going to do is film the video and have it loop, so you don't actually have to keep pulling out clothes. So you're only going to need 2 of these in addition to your outfits. You're going to want to have something to mark your place. Usually you can use anything small and undetectable to the camera's eye. So you can use a coin, a bobby pin, a safety pin, a piece of tape, a colorful piece of lint that you might recognize. Anything small works like that. This is so you know where you need to stand in each clip. Then you're going to want to have some good lighting. Honestly, you can do it in natural light, you can do it inside, outside, it really doesn't matter. Good lighting is key to make sure your video has the best quality possible. And then you're going to want to have space to film this. Now with this, we're going to be doing transitions in addition to masking ourselves. And when you mask yourself, you want to make sure you have enough space so nothing is overlapping, gets cut off, and looks wonky and crazy. And when you're doing this, when you have enough space to do this, you want to do this somewhere plain with a simple background where if anything moves, it's not going to be noticeable in the video. So I'm going to show you guys right now where I'm going to be filming my tutorial at. Okay, so this is just to give you guys an idea of my setup. Obviously, I've got my ring light and my phone. I'm not a lighting expert, so it's very possible that my lighting will come out garbage and I have to edit it, which is fine. But I got my 2 studio lights here. Those are my shoes where I'm gonna stand. And then this big space, look how far back, this is my phone. Look how far back I actually am standing from the camera in order to ensure I get enough room for where I'm going to stand and where the clothes of me will stand as well. It looks something like this. Okay, so just really quick, I actually ended up pushing back my setup and pushing my phone back just to make sure I had more space. I'm playing the audio from my other phone, so the way I film outside of TikTok, obviously you have to have another device to play the audio on. Because I have another phone, I just have TikTok open, and then I open the audio in TikTok, and then it plays on a loop, which makes it easy for me to film. Okay, just so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to stand right here because I think this spot has perfect amount of space. I'm gonna leave my shoes here. So basically what I'm getting ready to do is I'm getting ready to stand there and film the first part of this video, which is just me throwing the clothes down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw the clothes down and then go back behind my back as if I'm getting ready to throw them down again. This is just so when we add this footage in, it looks like a loop. So we're gonna have this footage loop over and over again. So we're only actually have to film it once. You're not actually gonna be standing there throwing the clothes on every single time. You only have to do this part one time. To make this easier, I'm gonna do one set of clothes and then do all of those, and then I'll do the other ones. So this is just me filming the intro of the video in which I'm going to throw the clothes down. What you want to do is throw the clothes down far away enough from you that you can place your clones, and remember to place your hands back so you can make that perfect loop. Okay, so basically what's going to happen now is I'm going to leave my shoes exactly where they are, just so I know where I was standing when I get ready to film these other clips. When I edit this, you won't be able to see my shoes because the footage we just filmed is going to take up the space. And I know you guys can't even really see my shoes in the frame right now, but you're not going to be able to see my shoes. So we're going to leave the shoes there to know where I was physically standing, so I know how much space I have for my clones. I'm just going to put the outfits on and stand up and walk in the space of where the white shirt is going to be. So since we've actually already filmed where the white shirt is and I've got the tape and there's an X there, we can move the white shirt, and basically I'm just going to put all my outfits on and walk. Okay, so all you're getting ready to see me doing is crouching down in the place where I threw the clothes, standing up and walking. That's what you're gonna do in every outfit on each side, and that's literally all you have to do. And I just shoot it more than once just to make sure I have a clip that I like. So you're gonna start by opening up Videoleap, and what I'm gonna do is import the video that I'm taking the audio from into Videoleap first. Cut out the little TikTok part because there's obviously no audio playing there, and I just want to grab the audio from the video. So I'm going to delete that part, and then I'm going to click on the clip itself, click on audio, and click on unlink. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in my clip of myself throwing down the clothes. Now obviously I already cropped out the other clips of it that I'm not going to use, but I'm just going to take this clip, and basically what I'm going to do is line it up with the audio. Once you've done that, you can delete the part of the clip that you're no longer going to need, and then we're going to duplicate this clip. Now, like I said, we're going to make this loop, so we're going to duplicate this clip a bunch of times, but what we're going to do is only the part where I put my hands back after I've thrown the clothes is the part that we want to duplicate, and we want to duplicate that for the duration of the entire audio. You can go ahead and delete the original video because we don't need it anymore. And here you will see what the looped video looks like. Obviously I haven't added the clones in yet, but this is just what we've done so far. So you should have something that looks like this. Next, you're going to open up CapCut, you're going to add your clip in, remove that little ending thing that they add into your project automatically, and click on remove background. You're going to do this for all the clips. So one thing you're going to want to do, and I didn't record this part, but you're just going to want to go to Google Images and get an image of a green screen and save that to your images. And then on CapCut, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Canvas, and you're going to select the background button, and then you're going to add the green screen photo, and that's going to change the background of your clip to a green screen clip. Then you're just going to save that and then go back to Videoleap, and you can do all of this in CapCut, but you're going to go back to Videoleap, split all the clips up, and then you're going to begin to drag each individual clip to line it up with where you're throwing the clothes and where the clones appear. Once you've got your clips lined up, you're going to select the green screen video that is in that separate layer, and you are going to go over and select chroma, and you're going to place the picker on the original version of you, so that's you from the first video, not from the green screen video. If you feel like the green lines around your person, if you can see them, if they're a little too heavy, you can increase the intensity, but I wouldn't go overboard with it, as it will make your green screen video look a little crazy. But after that, you're just going to do that over all the clips. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure the clothes disappear when your clones appear. So you're going to want to take a duplicate of your original video before you throw the clothes on the ground, and then you're going to put that in a separate layer and line that up with when your clones appear in your video. Then you're going to select that clip, mask it, and then select linear mask, and you're going to drag this mask down past your feet, but right where the clothes should be. And then you're going to rotate that linear mask 180 degrees. This is going to make it so every time the clothes are thrown down, your clones appear, but the clothes are no longer on the floor. For the zoom at the beginning of the video, you're just going to split your clip where you want the zoom to be. Then you're going to go to the end of the clip and click on the keyframe. This is the diamond with the plus beside it. You are going to click on that, and then you're going to go to the very beginning of the video, click on the keyframe again, and zoom in as much as you want it to zoom out. But that is essentially how you do the zoom. Then you add your text if you would like, and you've got the finished product, which you guys saw earlier at the beginning of the video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.